Welcome to our channel Richu Monu Vlogs. Today I am going to explain about the world globe. A globe is a spherical model of Earth. Globes serve purposes similar to maps. They do not destroy the surface that they portray except to scale it down. A model globe of Earth is called a terrestrial globe. A model globe of celestial sphere is called a celestial globe. A terrestrial globe shows land masses and water bodies. It shows nations and major cities and the network of longitude and latitude lines. A celestial globe shows notable stars and may also show positions of other prominent astronomical objects. Typically, it will also divide the celestial sphere into constellations. The Earth rotates daily about its axis. The North and South poles are the two imaginary points where the axis would enter and exit from the Earth if the axis were a pole or a line. The equator is the imaginary primary reference line drawn around the Earth, halfway between the North and South poles. The halfway of the Earth to the north of the equator is the northern hemisphere. The half to the south is the southern hemisphere. The poles determine north and south directions. The movement towards North Pole is northern in direction. Movement toward the South Pole is southerly in direction. Latitude is measured in degrees from 0 degree to 90 degree, north or south of the equator. Degrees of latitude are measured from equator. Radius is the line drawn from edge of a circle to its center. Angle between radius drawn from the equator and from north or south pole forms a right angle which is 90 degree. Equator is at 0 degrees. Both Earth's poles are at 90 degrees from equator. Parallels of latitude are circles of different sizes. These are imaginary reference lines that form complete circles around the Earth parallel to equator. Largest parallel is at equator it decreases size at poles. Meridians of longitude or lines of longitude are imaginary half circles running from North Pole to South Pole. This is from 0 degree to 360 degree. Longitude is distance east or west of the prime meridian. It is measured from 0 degree to 180 degree. USA is located on 77 degree west meridian. East and west longitude meet at 180 degree meridian, which runs through Pacific Ocean basin. That's all for the video. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to Richu Mono Vlogs.